Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy solution to fix issue with your number and keypad not working or showing in Windows 11. So this process should be straightforward, so let's jump right in. So first open your Windows search and type in Control Panel. Then from the search panel, select Control Panel and open it. Once Control Panel is opened, change the view by section to large icon. As you can see right over here, you will find this option at the top right, because this will make it much easier to find the settings you need. Now over here, just simply click on Easy to Access Center. Now over here in this section, just simply scroll down and select Make the keyboard easier to use. Now in this section, just simply look for Turn on mouse keys. Make sure this option is toggled off, because if this setting is enabled, it can interfere with your number pad. After ensuring the mouse keys is turned off, just simply click on Apply, then hit OK. Now after that, you can close the control panel, and now your number pad should now be working correctly on your Windows 11 computers. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.